얼마예요? 얼마예요? What does this expression mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 얼마예요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 248. 얼마예요? 얼마예요? This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is ol, second syllable is ma, third syllable is ye, and the fourth syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 얼마예요? 얼마예요? The word 얼마예요 is actually a phrase and a question. And this is used to say, how much is this? So this is used to ask the price of an item. So when you are trying to buy an item on a shop and you wanted to know the price of a certain item, you may ask the person in charge of that store, 얼마예요? Again, it's 얼마예요? How do you write 얼마예요 in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables, and let's go into each of it. The first syllable ol is written by joining first a no sound ing followed by an all character followed by a real character. For the second syllable ma, we need to draw first a mium character followed by an a character. For the third syllable ye, we need to draw first a placeholder a no sound ing followed by the ye character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first another no sound ing followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these 4 syllables to form the hangul of the word 얼마예요. And 얼마예요 is used to ask, how much is this? And with that, you've just learned 얼마예요. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 238 to 247. But don't forget our word for today, word number 248, which is actually a phrase, 얼마예요, which means, how much is this? Word number 247 is 헐. This is a Korean slang which is used to say, no way, or oh goodness. Word number 246 is 그래서, which means so. Word number 245, 아름다운, which means beautiful. Word number 244 is 나쁜, which means bad. Word number 243 is 멀리, which means far. Word number 242 is 작은, which means small. Word number 241 is 큰, which means big. Word number 240 is 있다, and this is used to say that something is located at a certain location and that something exists. Word number 239 is 소년, which means boy. Word number 238 is 소녀, which means girl. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.